Artisan: My Plan to Improve Business by Austin David. Overview: Business has been very slow for Artisan, and because of that, the company hasn't been able to generate a substantial amount of revenue. I believe it's been slow because of their inefficiency to market themselves locally and internationally. Introduction: Artisan is a locally owned art supply store located in St. Petersburg and can be found near the Dali Museum as well as the Holocaust Museum, as seen to the picture to the left. They mainly cater to local street artists that do murals, street art, graffiti, and any other art you can think of. And they're known especially for their spray paint and even have a brand of their own as well as others they offer in the store. Current situation: Artisan isn't attracting enough business because not enough people know about it. They don't market themselves locally. They fail to use social media enough to market themselves and limit themselves to only marketing on Facebook and Instagram. They are missing out on the fans and loyal customers they could build from other social media platforms such as TikTok and Twitter. This was a poll I took from locals around Artisan, or around the St. Pete area near Artisan, and as you can see, 63% had never heard of Artisan, 25% had known of Artisan or known about it, and only 11% had actually been inside the store, while 1% didn't care to answer. Key success factors. In order for Artisan to be successful, I believe that more social media must be utilized, as well as more marketing being done online as well as locally. Another solution, or a key success factor I would say, is for them to branch out further to build a bigger and better client base. Analysis of alternatives. Working with TV and local magazines allows for a couple, if not hundreds of thousands of people to see the business. The problem, however, is television providers wanting an extreme amount of money or them finding a way to talk negatively about the business. Hosting art shows near art galleries would be beneficial because they offer a great way to market to their target audience. The problem they run into, however, is the cost of putting on the event as well as getting granted permission to be there from the places such as the Dali. Representing local artists would be great because you could build a client base as well as make friends. There is the risk of this person exploiting them or lying about their identity. That comes with it though. Strategic option. The best way for Artisan to market themselves is through social media. Social media is free and is the best way to reach people. A daily post on all platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok could boost Artisan's chances of attracting business. Videos distract people from life and are quick, and utilizing TikTok to build Artisan's customers and fan base I think is the best option. Benefits of strategic option. TikTok could offer Artisan their best chance at gaining more business because it's filled with aspiring artists of all ages. Increasing the quality and quantity of postings means more chances of people seeing Artisan and what they have to offer, and gives them more chances, such as the chance to meet or find local artists to work with, or the chance of the video going viral and making it to live television, as well as partnerships or paid advertisements to help revenue of business. Risks of strategic solution. The risk of social media you run into is running into toxic people on the internet, as well as the videos getting no views or creating any traction. But that should be the least of the worries. Final recommendation. Market more on social media to increase business, focus on putting on events working with local or upcoming artists and trying to work with museums or art exhibits near the store, increasing the quantity of postings and the posts on every social media platform to maximize your possibilities of attracting business, and making sure the posts are relevant to the business as well as supporting it. The last thing I would like to recommend is reaching out to any local news channels and magazines, bloggers, and even others on social media to help build bridges or get the business's name out there. And that is my presentation on why I believe if Artisan utilized social media more, they'd be able to grow their business more and attract more customers as well as more fans.